Continuing on, seems to go break number 4906, on to the 13-14 Titanium 12-13 Anthology. Alright, we've got a 3-star selections autograph, number to 100 for the Nashville Predators, Philip Forsberg. We've got a Titanium Reserve autograph for the Anaheim Ducks, Frederick Anderson. Well, this is a good one so far. Game Gear jersey for the Detroit Red Wings, Nicholas Lidstrom. We've got a road sweater, dual jersey and autograph, number 25/50 for the Calgary Flames, Max Reinhart. And we got a private signings, number to 199 for the Carolina Hurricanes, Jared Stahl. Right, now on to the Anthology. Alright, starting with the Prism Topper, which has an autograph for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Mike Komisarek. And a rookie for the Blues, Jake Allen. We've got a Royal Lineage triple jersey for the Philadelphia Flyers, Eric Lindros, Claude Giroux, and Sean Couturier. We've got an Elite Rookie Aspirations die cut, numbered 68/100 for the Carolina Hurricanes, Jeremy Welsh. We've got an Intensity number to 500 for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Dougie Gilmour. And a Rookie Treasures dual jersey and autograph number to 699 for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Dalton Prout. We've got a Legacies to 999 for the Buffalo Sabres, Pierre Turgeon. We've got a Metallic Marks Bronze autograph for the Arizona Coyotes, David Rundblad. Cup Contenders to 999 for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Nazem Kadri. And we've got a Luxury Suite Game Used stick for the Boston Bruins, Jaromir Jagr. We've got a Royal Lineage triple jersey prime, because why not? Number 19/25 for the Philadelphia Flyers, Eric Lindros, Claude Giroux, and Sean Couturier. Why not? Heart Contenders to 999 for the Chicago Blackhawks, Jonathan Toews. Game Gear jersey for the LA Kings, Justin Williams. We've got an Elite Rookie to 999 for the Edmonton Oilers, Philippe Cornet. All right. Coming up next, Lord Stanley's mug and draft prospect.